Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with used trade-in hoist here. So cool unit. It's a ShoreStation, the same brand we sell. Looks like the customer purchased it late 90s, early 2000s. Fully functional, ready to go. They were using it up to this year. They sold their cabin. A couple cool things they added in here. So they added a hitch receiver to pull this thing out of the water. As you can see there, opposite side is the original motor stop that's never been used. 25 years old type of deal, or 20 years old. So never been used. You get to be the first person to put it on. 4,000 pound lift manual, as you could see here. It's got the wheel kit on it. So as you lift up, the wheels come down and then you could kind of push it on into spot. So wheel kit, everything ready to go. 4,000 pound, all aluminum, vertical lift at our location here. So we can load you up with a forklift. Use one of our trailers to get it out to your site. Come on down, check us out, recreationalpowersports.com.